There's also big news for Democrats this morning. That stunning new poll showing Bernie Sanders with a nearly 30-point lead over Hillary Clinton in New Hampshire. ABC's Cecilia Vega is here with that story. Good morning, Cecilia.
Amy, good morning to you. There is no way to describe these new New Hampshire numbers other than stunning. Bernie Sanders, that Democratic socialist senator from Vermont, now has nearly double the support over the candidate who many assumed would glide right into this nomination.
Should Hillary Clinton be nervous?
Yeah, I would be nervous.
This morning, Bernie Sanders enjoying a massive lead in New Hampshire and already looking past the Granite State, Iowa,
Just kidding.
and beyond.
I believe we have the momentum, and I think we stand a very good chance to win in both states.
That new poll showing the Vermont senator with his biggest New Hampshire lead yet, 27 points over Clinton. And another shocker, 91% of New Hampshire Democrats view Sanders favorably. For Clinton, 65%. The numbers especially damaging to Clinton in a state where she has been on the offensive, dispatching her most powerful surrogates from Bill and Chelsea to a long list of celebrities like girls star Lena Dunham and soccer star Abby Wambach. In Sanders' New Hampshire celebrity corner, Ben from Ben and Jerry's. But now Hillary Clinton feeling the burn.
And I'm going to keep working as hard as I can to reach as many people of all ages.
The race in New Hampshire and Iowa so dire, she issued a plea to donors with this concession. There's a real possibility we could lose those contests.
A real reality check this morning, and there were polls this time back in 2008 that showed Barack Obama with a big lead in New Hampshire over Hillary Clinton. That was back then. We do, of course, know she ended up winning that state. Guys, her campaign calling polls this morning, quote, meaningless.
Wait, just Ben, not Jerry?
Just Ben.
Okay, all right, just checking.
Just the chunky, not the monkey, right?
Thanks, Cecilia.
Okay, thank you, Cecilia.